Okay, hey, so today's Tuesday. It's 2 p.m. almost, and I'm not at work. And that's because there's a typhoon in Hong Kong and I don't need to work. Okay, so there's a bunch of things I want to do today. Um, that's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. So I think I'll do these four first. This one could be kind of fun to check out. So, yeah, let's do that one first. Gradle login. Okay, so Gradle logging. Um, let me just close this. If I close, it goes here, right? Oh, it actually closes. So I do need that open because I'm supposed to be paying attention to word messages. Okay, so what do I want to do? Yeah, it's gonna look this SLF4J. What is SLF4J? Anyway, so let's just say I want to log XML to SQL. Is my font different or something? It feels different. Something's weird about this font. Anyway, let's say I wanted to yeah. So there's a logger and a log factory. It's so Java. It's like the most Java thing ever. Okay. That's library fabric. OpenIV. Log to Gradle from Java. So this actually is um, but then other classes using the build. That's from the build software too. So use SL object logger. Logger. So where do I get this? Um, Maven. Okay, so we do have it. So I need to go into build.gradle and then ask for a dependency. I think it's just a dev dependency. Dev. So annoying. Okay, so let's just try this. We'll search. Okay, we'll just search this. Dev dependency. Intro. Gradle. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just try this. Compile, and then the name, which is org.s. Org. Hmm. No. Doesn't matter. That sucks. Bit longer. I thought this was gonna be easy. SLF4J. SLF4J. Cool. Okay, so adds this shit. When did he do this? June 19 last year. Okay, and then the code he adds this, like up here. This thing is like a build like Tornado. It's actually supposed to be here. Okay. Let's forget this. It's kind of something we can come back to when we actually need to do it. So I have some sort of idea how to do it, but I can't find the right syntax, and it's not so important right now, so let's just not do it. It's the error anyway. Cannot find. Okay, so the error was something else. So let's try it again. Give it like 10 more minutes. And if we get stuck in those 10 minutes, we'll just give up. Okay, seems like it's kind of working. It's very slow, as always. What build variant am I on? It doesn't even know. So this, I'm not sure exactly what to do. What I could start with doing is, this is something that I shouldn't really do right now. This is, what I could do is I could go check out some code I wrote like 6 months ago, actually a year ago now, and see what I did and see if I like it. What is he saying? Okay, it doesn't even work. Anyway. This is, I think I'll probably, maybe I'll just check out what I did. So what I can even do is I can go take a look at the log. Just make sure I'm not selecting any file. So take a look at the log and script naming, messenger test, Facebook app merge, topic history. There should be one called like situation or something. Can't see it. I can't see it. I don't know what happened to it. I'm pretty sure I did do something, but maybe I didn't commit it or something like that. Who knows? So just ignore that. Is this done? I think it's done. Okay. Org Apache, whatever logger. And then what does this guy do? What is he even trying to do with this code? Dlaz. So how did I do it in the Gradle thing? They do get logger of some logger. Okay, let's try that out. I think it should also be like this. Import org.silk4j.logger. Rename equals %s, db version equals %s, input dir equals %s, out path equals %s, right? And then we go db name, db version, input dir, out path, right? Okay. Okay, so let's try running that and see if we get any logging. So go into the Gradle console, and another thing I want to know is why does it take so long to do a Gradle clean? Why do Gradle cleans take so long? Slow Gradle clean. So did we get anything? Sucks. I'll put 2 Gradle on some Droid Studio. Well, it's not helpful. Yes, apparently we have 2, and then you need to initialize it properly. No config. So I don't know, maybe that'll do it. So give it a stop. Run it again. Mm. That goes, I think we do get this somewhere, right? System what output line. Hey, look at me. I think that'll appear somewhere. I don't know where, but it does appear somewhere. Not here, probably not here. Actually, I don't know. Oh, did I crash my whole computer? Yeah. That's right. Okay, so that's dumb. So basically, I didn't need to do any of this, and I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Okay. So what I could have done is just gone system.out.println. Ah, that is so annoying. Right? And then it would have okay, so now I know how to do that. That's great. And it was a lot easier than we thought. And we're stupid. Okay, so let's make a build. Very slow. Very slow. This is just way too slow. Okay, so we're on this one, which is quite slow. We should be working on development girlfriend instead. So we gotta make a build, and the first thing we gotta do is gotta make sure those scripts. Okay, cool, so it works. Great. We don't need that. Yeah, we don't need this. Okay, so what was I gonna do? So build.gradle. So we have these scripts. here, and I don't want them in the build. Right. So we'll do a build. Let's switch to the faster one. So we'll switch to development girlfriend. So we'll go tools, Android. We'll just do a build clean actually. So I think once that's done, we just need to test and then run through the build checklist and then test again and then make the build. Hmm. I thought this is supposed to be faster. This is so slow. Great. Okay, so yeah, let's try building it on. So check this. I'll delete both apps from this device. Do a build. See all this red text, and then it says, "Build successful." Okay. seems fine. That's not what I wanted to do, but whatever. So, I don't know, progress. Don't include translated characters. And then let's run through the build checklist. So, what is this? readme.md. Okay. Okay, so first we update the changelog. What did I even do? Okay. So this is boyfriend, this is girlfriend. Close, 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 close. Okay. A Sprout error. Script error. Okay. So basically, I kind of fixed two crashes, right? So that's it. Fixed two more crashes. Okay. So according to the build checklist, we need to readme.md. Oops. Readme.md. Oops. Bump up the version numbers and build.gradle. So this one, let's bump this one as well. 7, 7. Hello, what's this? This is 8. 8. 8. 7. 7, right? Okay, so edit. Okay, great. So added to changelog. Okay, so let's go back to the README. Close all those. Database was not changed. Merge master into release. So branch checkout release. I don't like it how it turns into release 4 or whatever. It doesn't seem right. And let's try that again. Branch checkout. release. Okay, fine. Branch merge. Merge the working tree. So you can see all the stuff we did. And if we set the relative directory, yeah, it all looks fine. I didn't really look at it too thoroughly, but it looks about right. Commit and push. Do a clean rebuild. Cool. So actually, I've never tried this before, so I would like to try it. ls /gradle w clean builds. .bat clean build /. To honor the JVM settings for this build, a new JVM will be forked. Okay, cool. So, is that what I think? Does that do what I want? So supposedly, app build APK. It's a lot of APKs. Okay. BF release, right? And then we also have GF release. We only want 2, but it made like 1 billion. Made 200 megs worth of APKs. Okay, great. So let's test it out. Okay. So there's two tests I want to do. One is I want to just install them, do a clean install. So adb install. Okay. And then let's run it. Yeah, I installed it incorrectly. I forgot that I'm supposed to type -icon.android.vending. Cool. Seems fine. Let's try the boyfriend out. Seems fine as well. Yeah. Okay. So then the next thing is I want to download them from the App Store, or actually from Google Play, and then build on top of them. I think it should work because we didn't change the database, and that's the key thing that can go wrong. Boyfriend. Okay, my internet's quite slow, so it's gonna take a little while to download it. Okay, so I'll install it. Okay, cool. So we want to do this. That's the boyfriend one. And then we also want to do this, right? What? Oh, okay. So we just do the R first. Minus R. Okay. So that worked. So you open up the boyfriend app, and it seems fine. Okay. Yeah, it seems fine. Hmm. Yeah, so somebody told me that the messages take a little while to turn up. Like, and they do. Okay. It's not so severe. So we need to do the same thing for the girlfriend app. So minus R, minus I, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so now we'll test it out. Did I? Hey, Cooper. I'm still here. Okay, so now we want to upload a build. And that's probably going to take a really long time. Yes. Thanks, Cooper. I don't know what you're saying. You sure are. What's a build? A build is like a type of dog. So imagine you are trying to make a hot dog, right? But what do you have to begin with? It's just a dog. So a build is kind of like the process of turning a dog into a hot dog. It's gonna take ages. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay, so yeah, okay, we made builds. Haven't uploaded them yet, but let's start working on SimKim. This is gonna take like 10 minutes probably. 2 minutes. Oh, he has an account. Let's write a comment on his page. This sucks. I need this. always have to sign in, it's so annoying. You know, I was wondering, how does that thing work? Because, yeah, exactly, because it doesn't, like, if, when you do a sign-in, it just basically sends a request to the server, and the server says yes or no, right? But you don't know how long that's going to take, so there's no way you can do a progress thing. It's not like you're doing work. So how does that, how do those progress bars work? I think what they do is they just, like, if they don't know how long it's going to go, they kind of just go, 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 and then they stop until you get, like, the response, and then they go across. But if it comes back really fast, it just goes across really fast. So it's like a progress bar that's telling you how much you got left to do, but it's not really. It's just a spinner, I think. So it's like a kind of trick. But I think they're really cool. I want to add some of those to like a website I've been working on.
Alright.
How come Unity's not up? Okay, still going. Okay, so for some reason Unity's not launching. Did I press close or something? So what did we do? It's in changelog. Yeah, fine. Okay, now let's upload the go from one. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. Better screenshots. SK. Put in your files. Latest stuff. Okay. I'm gonna go into my email now, and because of that, I'm gonna show you a picture instead. So enjoy the picture. Previously, I would just go into my email and you guys would just all see it, but I don't want to do that anymore. I think that's really stupid. It's actually a picture from Sim Kim, which is a game I'm about to start working on right now. What's the update about most of the labs? Hey! That's not very nice. I do not appreciate that sentiment. Did I reply to this email? No. Okay, let's reply. what? Sorry, Mr. Girly Man. That's a new insult. I haven't heard that one from you before. Mr. Girly Man. Okay. Oh! Oh no. Your mom, dad, sex machine. That's too far, man. I wonder if I still have that image. I can go back to streaming actually. I don't know why I'm still showing you this picture. I wonder if I still have that. It's gotta be somewhere, right? It should be in my StarCraft directory. Just close this. Oh, I haven't played StarCraft for a long time. I want to play. Screenshots. He only makes Goliaths. Your skills give me an Hmm. When was the last time I played? I don't know. Replays. Last replay. Oh, I played Christmas Eve. What the fuck? Christmas Eve, 1 a.m. I was playing StarCraft. Okay. It's not too long ago. That's like 8 months ago. 7 months ago. Okay, so we got the thing. Uh, Let me just add this. And it's actually 7, not 8. Kind of annoys me that they're different, but whatever. Cool. So that's 7, that's 8. Let's take a look at the sales. Yeah, not too good. Okay, so yes. Well, IDE is what? This? This thing? This is Android Studio, as you can see from here. Well, you probably can't see. And it's based on IntelliJ, and it's customized by Google, I think. And it's a bit of a piece of shit, but actually it's okay. It's just that Android development is a bit of a piece of shit. So it constantly needs to do resyncs and rebuilds, and it's really slow, and I hate it. But it's kind of like the best you can get for Android development. It's free as well, so. Okay, so we'll just close that. Ah. So that's pretty good. And then, what about this? That's really cool, huh? 100% crash free. Who's the best? 99.7. Ah, almost. Almost. daily active users. So it hasn't detected, nobody's downloaded the new build yet, and that kind of makes sense because we just uploaded it. It's quite cool. We can see that there's 20 people playing or 18 people playing right now, and then here we can see, oh, the local ice cream guy is here. That's awesome. Now here we can see there's 4 people playing, so that's fun. But we can just spend all day in that thing. Let's just not. So we'll close, delete that, those builds. Okay. So the archive is not very good. So I'm gonna have to show you guys the image again and go back into my email and download that stuff. I'll find a better picture. Okay, so we're fine. Download all. Okay, so the download completed. Work this time. Um, so we can go back to the main scene. And what I got from the character artist is pretty cool. Okay, it's not that cool, but I didn't actually want him to do that, but then I realized actually it kind of, oh fuck, I just opened my mail anyway. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So we've got these 3 characters, and then they appear on top of a background. And then this one is just a dedicated background, and then this one is also just a dedicated background. And the reason that's good is it means we can keep the file sizes really small, right? So, yeah, so SimKim, just in my root directory because I'm lazy. Assets, resources, backgrounds, okay. Something's called lab, and then lab interior ABC, right? ABC. A, B, C. Okay. So I might call this one. Okay, I'll just leave it the way it is. So this will be lab interior A, and then this will be lab interior. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, okay. So this is lab A, this is B. A. That seems right. Okay, and then in the code we need to change 2 lines, I think. Workday, opening scene, leisure day, background change. Secret weapons lab. So Wusuck Zone is actually, I think it's B. It's B, right? So Wusuck Zone is B. And Wilson Zone is A. And Kim Jong-il Zone is C. And the other thing is we don't want the characters in these zones. So we do character change dot none, right? One. We don't want scales either. We just don't have characters. Okay. Cool. So yeah, Wusuck, and I think that's good. And I think we can test the scene, so let's try it out. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I want to add to this list. SK. Sure. For some reason the icon wasn't appearing. It's pretty weird. But we can fix that. Okay, so let's run it, and let's just close the other ones. Okay, we'll just close them all then. Oh, I pressed the wrong keyboard combination because I used too many fucking IDEs. Level manager. So we'll start at the Secret Weapons Lab. Why does that always happen? This is so annoying. Why is this one like right here and these are like here? That's like been driving me crazy for like way too long. Okay. Just go back here. And then you guys just fuck off. I don't care what number it is anymore. Okay. Good. Perfect. Great. Done. Never have to worry about that again, hopefully. Okay, so we only want to see Secret Weapons Lab. Yes! That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, cool. So, we run the scene, go here. The fuck? Yeah, this is really annoying as well. This fucking background.
Almost there, boss.
Hey, don't. Where? Hey!
Oh,
Good to see you're around, miss. I cooked you something in case... Okay.
What weapon?
We've got... Okay.
Right.
Imagine a...
You.
We do...
How?
You are next... We have...
Wow.
how intel...
90% is... It's too...
Rammus! U.S. and South Korean forces are preparing an imminent invasion.
Prepare my.
roundness.
What about?
What?
We are predict.
Turn it up.
Fuck! That's not right. So, okay. Fuck. We already found another issue. So, Obama's scale is wrong. Let's just go do that again.
Your round.
What about?
What?
We are predict.
Turn it up.
Character. Inspector. Okay, so, I mean, what we can do is we can just find out what it is in the opening scene, right? And then just do the same thing. 'Cause it's the same, it's the whole same scene, right? So, Obama. That's what we want. And then let's go to Showdown, which is the final scene. And find the Obama thing. Yeah, so the scale is all wrong. That looks better. Cool. So let's try that again.
Your roundness.
Prepare. What about?
What?
We are predict.
Turn it.
Unless you agree.
Yeah. Yo.
Oh,
Hey, John.
Hey. Have the chef.
We're in a
Pathetic.
My God. I'm.
yeah.
Your roundness. Sir.
Rude.
Of cure.
Yeah, great. So there's a bunch of issues there. I might not fix them. Okay, so what the hell did I even do? Right, we also need to put in the characters, so that's missing. Yeah. What did I call these characters? They're not here, what the fuck? Is it in foregrounds? Do I need to pull? I need to pull. Okay. Alright. So this actually we don't want to change, so let's discard that. Showdown fixed Obama scale, but that might already be fixed. Fixed Obama's scale. We'll just commit it anyway. Grounds now have characters on top already. Ah. This, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to discard it because it's definitely going to conflict. So we'll do a poll. I think we can do this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh fuck! I shouldn't have done that. No, actually, I think it's okay. It's okay. So let's clear these errors. Right, so we have these, KJU and Geralt, and we want to just replace it with this one. Yeah, okay. And then the thing is, we also want to, let's change this to something really specific. 1280 by 720. I'm surprised it's not there. Anyway. Okay. Okay. I might actually even like maximize on play, right?
Kim, time to wake up.
Okay.
You've got a big day ahead.
Hmm.
How long?
Look, hello.
Hey!
Good. I just ordered lunch. Alright. Maybe. Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah, so like clearly a lot of these things can be merged together, right? So we'll do this later, but merge backgrounds, characters, and foregrounds. Because there's no animation, it doesn't make any sense to not merge it, because we're just wasting memory. And also these foregrounds, they look so shit with alpha layers.
This.
Sir,
Now.
you're on.
Whoa. And. What? Okay.
What? Awesome. How many times has North Korea won the world?
Yep.
Forgot, it's actually this scene. Okay.
Luther, you are here.
So,
Good! Everyone! Isn't it good?
Hello, Longley.
So, what can I do for you, my
That's
liege?
weird. Okay.
Would you
So
like something to eat?
I don't want to maximize on play anymore. I know. Okay. This bunch of. I mean, actually, that's Unity stuff, so let's not worry about it.
Kim, time to wake up. You've got a big day ahead. Yes, sir.
Wooster, you are here. Good!
Really?
Almost got it. Almost got it.
So, what can I do for you, my liege?
Okay,
Would you like something to eat?
so let's say 1.6. 1.6. Maybe it should be 2. 2, 2. It's too big. 1.75. Basically, we need to get it pixel perfect. And that's going to be really hard because it's just so fiddly. So it's something like this. I'm thinking we just don't do it and we just merge the backgrounds together. Point 7, point 7. Yeah, let's just not do it. It's too fiddly and it's not gonna come out. It's gonna be really hard to get it right, basically. So discard that. Okay. Alright, so let's just say that's done. Better screenshots. Yeah. Ugh. I can do that when we deploy. Add fabric, make another build, make sure the icon appears. So let's add fabric in. What the hell? Why? No, don't override for Android. I think that's what we want. So, yes. Default cursor. Enable Android banner. Okay, great. Publishing settings, we gotta type in the password. Okay, and then I think we're good to build. No, we're not, because we need to add in fabric. Android fabric units. Maybe it's called Crashlytics. The fuck would I want that? You serious? Yeah, great. Just I want to download it. No, fuck. Downloads. Unity. Next, select fabric, fabric, new fabric. Sign in with your fabric connection, fill out uploading instructions to the plugin. Alright, okay. Cool. That's so cool. Okay. So we got the thing. Import. Okay. So prepare fabric. Um, crush Linux. Okay. Right. Didn't we just do this? Okay. So my first scene is called logo scene. So it's done, right? Is it done? I don't know. Let's take a look at the console. Hey! Oh, I forgot to save it. Right? Is that it? Oh. It's because I keep switching scenes. And that stupid game object is supposed to stay around. Man. Stuck on builder project. Yeah, that really sucks. So let's take a look at that thing. So it's Crashlytics in it, Fabric in it. So here actually we have this thing called singletons, right? And then the thing is, it doesn't go away when you change scenes, which is quite
Kid,
cool.
time to wake up. You've got a big day.
But how the fuck did I do that? I don't remember. Singletons. So let's take a look at the script. Reload all. Hi, I'm like a large-scale web application Laravel application relates a mobile value added server, which is the facility of very thousands of years ago. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea. Sorry, I don't know what Laravel is. And I'm not an expert in developing large-scale web applications, so sorry, I can't really help you. Okay, no worries. Hmm. That's so weird. Don't destroy on load. Okay, so we don't want to destroy. We want to do that, right? So let's take a look at the Crashlytics code. I think we can change it. I think. It's probably not a good idea to do that. Yeah. So this is a mono behavior, and then there's also Crashlytics. Which is also mono behavior. Oh. So they already have this, which is quite good. But they don't have it for the Fabric thing. Don't destroy on load. Don't destroy on load. So Crashlytics doesn't destroy on load, but Fabric does. But it's gone. Yeah. And then it runs the error. I could not find Crashlytics game objects. But I think it's okay. Because that don't destroy on load should work on the phone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna, okay, so let's just say it's done, and then let's deploy to the phone. So I want to take the screenshots on the phone because they look better, and that I think is done, but I can't test it until I deploy, and yeah. So let's commit what we've done. Oh, that's a lot of shit. Fuck. I hate it when there's a lot of files. Okay. So Fabric and Crashlytics, basically. Fabric and Crashlytics. That's what's really annoying about Unity. There's no package manager, so you just have to include everything into your you just have to include all this shit into your source. It's kind of ugly. It's kind of extremely ugly. I'm sure they're working on it, but it's been a while actually. It's been like they've not had a package manager for 6 years. What is Laravel anyway? Laravel. Oh, okay, PHP. Still going, huh? That's great. Okay, doesn't matter. I think we can do a build anyway. So we're already on Android. Build settings. Build. Player settings. We got that. It should be 3, I think. Yeah. So give it a. Just do a save. Build settings. And then build. And they call it SK. 103. Desktop. Yeah. Okay. 45 megs, nice. It's a good size. Alright, so let's deploy it to this phone. I'll just delete the old app first. Shouldn't need to actually. Yeah, I'll just leave the old app on. Terminal. CMD adb install -r. Okay, so we got it. ADB logcast. I want to see the logs. Oh, that's a lot. That is huge. So, okay, finally got to the end of it. Holy shit, it logs a lot. Stop logging. Okay.
What do we need to do today?
A lot. Some new video games have arrived, and you're the only one who can beat them. But first, you haven't eaten in a long time.
Look it up on the camera. Hello, boss. Hey, good.
Oh, crap.
Yeah?
What?
Ah, fuck. So that's something we need to fix. Okay, well, let's see if the fabric thing worked. I didn't see any errors, but there might be some. It's not here.
Kim, time to wake up. You've got a big day ahead.
It's supposed to log into here, right?
What do we need to do today?
So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is,
A lot.
I think I'm just gonna, okay. So we'll launch the game again.
Kim, time to wake up. You've got a big day ahead. A lot.
Let's eat American food for lunch.
Very good, sir. As you always say, the best way to know your enemy is to eat his lunch.
Hello, boss of the best country in the world speaking.
Hey. How's it going?
Good. I just ordered lunch.
Oh, great.
Yeah?
What?
Fuck, why did I do that? Okay, so I don't know. It's not showing up here. I think it should be. Maybe we need to force a crash. Maybe, I don't know. Crash Lytics. Wait. Cause a test crash. Alright, let's do that. Let's just make it crash. So in the logo scene. Logo scene, logo scene. Fuck. Fuck! Alright, got it. We'll just go crashlytics dot. What is it? Crashlytics dot crash. So crash. Okay, cool. Yeah. And let's try building that down again. So, build settings, build, crash. Okay. Oh, really? What do you mean there's no noise? Still no noise? Okay, so we got the crash build. Let's deploy it. It looks like the icon is there, so that's good. Just close this. ADP install. Okay. So it launches, the icon's here, and then it's supposed to crash. It didn't crash, what the fuck? Now it crashed? Okay. Hmm. What does it mean by app onboarded? Do I need to set this thing up again? Fabric. That means selected. This one looks like it's selected anyway. Okay. Fabric, Crashlytics, enable, disable. How can I enable it or disable it? Waiting for app launch. I did do that. Okay, so let's leave the logcat. Okay. Okay. So let's save this. Can I save this? Select all, copy, select all, copy, and then sublime text. Crashlytics timed out. So yeah, it's not working. Something's wrong. So the error is what? This Crashlytics timed out during initialization. Okay, let's see. I don't think anyone's using it for Unity. Hmm. So one idea is we don't skip to the next scene. I mean, this is not a good solution, but it'll help me figure out what's wrong. So we got a logo scene, and then right, so this should actually be here. But what I'm thinking is we don't do any of this, right? Oh, it's so annoying. We don't do any of that stuff, and then Crash Lake should have enough time to do whatever it wants to do. So let's try that out. So we build it again. We'll delete this one because it didn't even work. Build settings. Build. Yeah, sure. ADB, install this one. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. Okay, we gotta make these logs smaller. So I don't see any errors. Started 1601. Ended 1603. Still not showing up here. That's not what we want. Where is the where do I install Android anyway? Users, Angry, so Android? No. AppData, Welcome, Android, SDK, Platform Tools. It's fucking long. Tools. It's called Monitor, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, so it is this thing. This is not working. Okay, pretty annoying. So on the device, let's make the log shorter because it's just too long. And I don't like waiting for it. Developer options. There's a lot of developer options. So the log is 64 kilobytes, okay? It's pretty small. Okay. Okay. So let's clear this out. ADB logcat. It's much shorter, right? Okay. How do I use logcat just for like certain things? Yeah, I don't know. Who cares? I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. It's pretty annoying. Okay. No. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here, because just not really getting anywhere. And